Boss, how did you create this dynamic waterfall chart? I got you. Start a new scribe to capture the steps. Enter this formula to summarize the data. Select the data and insert a waterfall chart. Delete the chart title and reposition the chart. Now select no fill and no line for the border. Next, format the grid lines by adjusting the gradient stops. Now format each data series to your color preference. Add the total bar to the chart. Finally, add borders to the data bars and decrease the width.